Welcome! My name is Ceech and I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance videos to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you can benefit from this type of video, hit the like button. It definitely helps out more than you know. Also consider subscribing because I hear it brings you 7 years of good luck. So there you go. Anyways, today this video is my teens class. And actually most of them are jazz dancers, and this is the first time they're actually exposed to my hip hop class. So I'm very, very proud of them. And we're just going over choreography. The last few 8 counts is something that they just learned on that day. So it's accumulation of different weeks, and hope you guys enjoy and have fun. Learn lots from this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and I'm out.